Good morning, YouTubers. So, about 2 kilometers from the army checkpoint, which is about 9 kilometers from where we are, is the wild. And a nice little river down there flowing away. Nice little hills over there with some transmitters on the top. Now I kind of got this silly idea that there must be some sort of path up to the transmitter for maintenance, but I can't see anything on any kind of maps or anything, so at the moment those remain a mystery. Minitron, however, pointed out quite a while back that somebody made a video of a little temple around here and she wants to go to see the temple. There's only one drawback with that temple. And it's not the road. The road leads right up to the trail that goes to the temple. The problem is up there. Now, I can just about see a flag post and something glinting in the sun, but that's where we're going. She said it's 600 or 700 meters up. Why am I doing this? I have no idea. But anyway, it was nice and cloudy when I said to her, let's get up there, because it was nice and cloudy and we wouldn't have any sun. But of course, there it is, the cloud. But of course, by the time Minitron's finished messing around and cooking stuff, we're back in full sunshine. So this is going to be a proper laugh. You laugh, I'll do all the hard work. Moving on. Well, that was strange because I just paused the film, but it's gone straight back to record again. Hang on. So here we are a couple of kilometers later, around a bit of twisting and turning. And we've already been to 2 different starting points. Because she told me a long time ago this is the starting point, but she wanted me to start at a different place. Now we don't know where the starting point is. Follow the orange trees, I reckon. I reckon it's along here with these orange trees. I don't want to be stopping too long around here because the amount of flying things coming out of that septic hole is quite annoying. There's also a really strong smell of fermented stuff. No, let's try this path. Let's try this path, he says. I could ride this. So we'll just stumble along here for a little bit. She'll start kicking off and saying, oh, you can't, you can't, you can't, but that's a rider to me. Let's go back and start a fight. Oh, these flying things. We have ventured in a couple of 100 meters along that trail and suddenly found this road. Old road. Going up through the mountains. Don't quite know where it goes there, but I'll have a look on the way back. But we got to get out of here. These flies. These bastard flies. It's insane. Personally, I would have rode up over this. Oh, I hope these things are only on the lower levels. My experience of trekking through jungles to hillside temples mean we could be doing this for several hours. I must have caught a huge fistful of those. Oh no, she's got billions of them round her. Oh, I can see them behind you. You got about 1 million on your hair. Hopefully, if we get up a bit and break out, I don't want to be in the strong sun, but I think the sun will chase them off. Oh, there's thousands of them. I'm eating them as I'm breathing in. Get off me, you flying annoyances. Right, well, you don't really want a 10-minute video of me swatting flies, so let's see where this goes. Well, after a bit of trekking, we've you're going to have to excuse the wobbly camera, but I can't abide these things getting in my face. Be gone with your annoyances. Oh, right in my eye. Alright, act casual. Pretend they're not here. Get out of my effing eyes. Now they're going straight for the eyeball. Oh, jeez. I'll probably end up having to edit out the soundtrack of me swearing and replace it with some jingly jangly music instead. Ooh, now we're getting a bit, oh god. Can you actually see? Can you see these flipping things? We're getting a bit more off-road now. Spider's webs all over my arms now. Oh, this is... If we would have played the drinking game now and you took one slug every time I said, ooh, look at them two, getting it on, look. There's those red bugs, look, love. Look, he's got a trailer. Having fun, boys? Well, boys, could be boys, you never know. No, there's those little red bugs, look, remember? Oh, these, no, they're not mosquitoes, love. No, they're fruit flies. They'd be biting us if they were mosquitoes. Plus you'd have that annoying... I'm hoping they'll just do one. What was I talking about? The drinking game, wasn't it? Yeah. It won't be on the floor if I was saying what I want to say about them. And you had to take a drink every time I said it. This is one of those temples with 800,000 steps, isn't it? Ah! Right in my effing eye! That's completely in my eye, that one. You complete moron! Oh dear, excuse the heavy breathing, but we're rushing to get to the sunny bits. Try and get some reprieve. I thought these things were just fruit flies because there's a load of fruit all over the jungle floor back there. It stinks of alcohol. or it's fermenting. But having just inspected a few of them on my arms, no, they're mosquitoes. So we just walked through a sea of mosquitoes. My sleeves are down now. I've got my Bear Grylls shirt on, just in case we get trapped up here and I've got to drink my own pee. Because if you're wearing the Bear Grylls stuff, it tastes a lot better, apparently. So on we go. That bit of hot sunshine back there has driven a lot of them off. Plus we're getting higher now, so hopefully their little minuscule brains implode at this altitude. They'll certainly implode if they come within reach of my fist.